Okay, this place is so fine. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Ogino name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. But I'm currently in my village in Enugu State, Oji River, Enugu State. So welcome to my channel. Yeah. So this morning is so exciting. This is 6:56 a.m. in the morning. Uche and the others, they already went to our family house. This place is my father's compound, so they went to my grandfather's compound, their family house. Yeah, they went to that place. They already started cooking because yay, today's Uche's traditional wedding. Today she'll be traditionally joined to her boo-boo, her boyfriend of years. Today, in fact, they already paid her dowry yesterday night, because there's something my dad was explaining that they don't pay dowry in my village on Nkwu market day, and today is Nkwu market day. So they already did the dowry stuff yesterday. They gave Umuna all their drinks, all their wines and everything. So today is just like guest people officially coming and just a merriment day. Yeah, you get, I'm talking too much in this intro. Let's be going. I'm still at his compound and I should be heading to his father's house now. So let's get going. Let's dive right into the video. I hope you enjoy this whole vlog because it's gonna be fun. Yeah. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Fine. Mommy, good morning. Mommy, good morning. I'm fine. Well done. That's Mary. Well done. Wow, these people will enjoy you. See big chicken. Wait, that chicken is for one person. Who's cooking on the fire? No, I don't think so. He's even cooking here. So guys, it was cooking time. Cooking. At this point, NK, my sister's best friend, was sorting out the fish, and these are the peppers that were used. Yeah, and they were cooking outside. Inside, Uche and her best friend prepared the soup, and they also prepared the rice and the semotu. Yeah, and my uncle's wives, they were really helpful. They prepared the abacha they make in my village, that's Oji River. The abacha is not easy to make. They keep on turning this thing, they kept on turning it for hours. I don't know whether it's ncha that they call it or something. They were turning it so that it would, I don't know the purpose, but Isha always turns out nice. They turn it with ogiri. This is ogiri, fresh ogiri. Oh my god. And they use it to make abacha in Enugu too. Uche was cooking on that day. Bride will cook her wedding food. It needs to go down in history. Yeah, she was cooking on that day, and your baby girl was just there taking videos. So yeah, a caterer was not used. Everyone cooked at home, and there was division of labor. There was someone cutting leaves, some people cooking the soup, some people doing the rice, and before we knew what was happening, everything was ready. Meanwhile, your baby girl is going to be showing in a bit. You guys, as usual, I'm tasting things. Yes, I'm licking it. Identify if you have ever licked ogiri before. I love to lick it. I love the taste. And this is fish. I just stole it from the egusi place. The place they are cooking egusi. I just stole some. You guys, I have meat here. I'm not a fan of beef. I don't like beef. But let me just taste it. I want to check whether it's soft. I'm serious. I'm just checking whether it's soft.
Go brush my mouth.
Look how you eat. Take now. You have buried it. So NK was turning the semo at this point because it was bulk semo, so they said this process was better, and at this point they were adding more water into the jollof rice. So guys, the jollof rice is ready. Oh my god, you guys, this jollof rice tasted so nice. Uche and her best friend really did a wonderful job with this jollof rice, and at this point they were pouring in, I don't know whether it's water or what, into the abacha thing. Like, this thing takes hours, and I mean it. When they are done making that thing that's like a sauce, they will now mix it with the main abacha. They must have soaked it earlier, so they will now mix it with it, and it tastes so nice. I just love that ogiri flavor in the abacha. Yeah, so at this point Uche and her friend were turning the semo. It was not an easy task. It was not something easy to do. These women that do large bulks of semo, they really try. So guys, the in-laws arrived at this point, and they came to the obi and were disoriented, especially Uche, because Uche was still in the kitchen. She had not yet taken her bath, no stock of doing makeup or dressing up. Anyways, we had to sneak her from the back door for her to go back to my father's house and start doing any 15 minutes dressing up, because the in-laws were already in Enugu State from Imo State. You guys, so our in-laws snuck up on us. Like, they're already here. They have been here for the past 30 minutes. And we're just finishing up from the kitchen. You can see Uche, she's still not dressed. I'm carrying the rice and chicken for them on my head. We're going to my father's compound because we just left the Obi. That's my grandfather's compound.
Thank you. No, don't cry. People go through. Thank you, Jesus.
So you guys, I had to help Uche tie the rope of her trad cloth after she did 5 minutes makeup on her face. She just had to get anything ready for her face because the in-laws were already around, and they wanted to complete everything and leave before 1 p.m. that same day, because the next day was going to be Monday, and Monday is sit at home in the east. So at this point, she was in the parlor. She just hugged her mom-in-law, and she went ahead to hug other of her husband's relatives. Is that Snapchat that is very fine? Please, I'm still taking it from me. Even though my phone is not fine. Nothing is shit.
So Peter, I'm a quarter of mine. But when you're dear, not the bear.
I wish you wouldn't do it. Just stop that necklace.
Jesus.
Amen.
Is no one chọtara nwunye ma obodo chọtara ezi ihe chọta iru ọnwụ n'aka Chineke. Ikwenye n'okwu gị si na gidigidi bụ ugwu eze. Anyị wee fụ ndị niile ihe ọma na-amasị ha wee bịa n'otu dị n'otu ofu olu. Nyere ya n'aka Chineke ga-agọzi ya. Gọzie di ya. Gọzie ụmụnne.
For those who are not Igbo here and who may be wondering why the traditional marriage was done without the husband being physically present, it is something Igbo people do. I don't know about other tribes. If it is done in other tribes, please can you guys let me know in the comment section. But in a case where the husband is unavailable, most times it's usually when the husband is abroad. Somebody, a male from his family, can represent him, and they come and do the bride price, do the Igba, Nkwu, that's the traditional marriage, and they marry the wife on his behalf. he couldn't come back for the trad because he was still in Saudi and he was going to be coming back for the white wedding, and the trad was like a month and a half to the white wedding. The trad was in October, the last week of October, and the wedding was slated for December. So he just had to do it that way so that when he comes back it will just be for the white wedding, and that's why he was not present at their traditional wedding. Anyways, at this point Uche was taking pictures with her mom-in-law, my mom and my dad, and after everything we went outside and lo and behold we saw canopies. Yeah, my dad called canopies, and we said it was just going to be low-key within family. Anyway, the canopies were for his umuna. Yeah, they were just for his umuna because we ate inside. I ate abacha with fish and angara, and after eating we rushed outside. Everyone took group picture, her husband's family with her husband's friends that came with Uche and my mom. Everyone took pictures, and after that Uche joined them in their vehicle going back to Owerri.
I'll miss you. We didn't see you again. I'll see you later. Where is Favor? She's got Favor now. Wait, come by one. Oh, yeah, no. Bye bye.
Johnny Messi.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.
So yeah, we left too. My mom and I, we left the village that same day because it would have been impossible to go back to Imo State the following day, which was Monday, because of sit at home, and I had a whole lot to do over. I had a whole lot of clothes to sew, so I was like, yo mommy, let's just go back to Owerri because I can't bear to stay until Tuesday. It's going to affect me because it's just a normal time of the year, October. Anyways, you guys, it was a huge success. We thank God for the huge success of everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or you learned a thing or two, do give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site Iwatago, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, love you.